Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So ito po ang aking reading para sa mga Libra. This is for year 2021, kapalaran sa pag-ibig. So let's start the reading. Paalala lang, this is general love reading. So hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kung magre-resonate sa ito, kunin mo lang yung mga messages kung saan nakaka-resonate sa iyo. Okay? Pwedeng magkapalit-palit yung sitwasyon dito ha. Kung cross-watcher ka, pwedeng ikaw ito at hindi si Libra. Kung ikaw si Libra, pwedeng maging ito yung person mo at hindi ikaw. Okay, so bahala ka nang ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Okay, and also, I would like to plug yung isa naming channel, which is the Virgo Philippines. If you are connected with the Virgo, possible din kasi na may mga reading doon na pwedeng para sa iyo at hindi para kay Virgo. Okay, so check out mo rin yung channel namin na yon. Please subscribe kung connected ka kay Virgo. Okay? So let's start. We have here Two of Pentacles sa main energy ng person mo. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Seven of Pentacles. Ang nakukuha ko dito with the Two of Pentacles, possible na you have this, you're trying to balance things out. Okay? So, maaaring tinatry mong maging okay. Like, maaaring pinapakita mo sa ibang tao na you're happy, you're okay. Pero, maaaring hindi. Hindi naman talaga. I'm sorry, this is your person's side. Pero nakuha ko dito yung energy mo din. So, possible na same kayo nitong person na ito ng energy na nakukuha ko dito. Like, I feel like there's emotion or there's this feeling na pareho kayong nang nararamdaman or nang ipinapakita sa ibang tao. Okay? And we have here Seven of Pentacles. This is your energy. Nakukuha ko dito someone here na merong parang pagkakamaling desisyon, pagkakamaling words, or pagkakamaling ginawa or gagawin this 2021. Has something to do with a decision making, or maybe there's a third party situation here. Pwedeng ganon. Or pwedeng there's this decision or words na nasabi na ngayon parang nagkakaroon ng pagsisisi, or I feel like hindi masyadong pinag-isipan na ngayon parang nagkakaroon ng pagsisisi nga dito. Okay? Maaaring may mga bagay na pinasok na hindi naman dapat pasukin pa, or hindi mo nakikitaan yung sarili mo na nandun ka sa sitwasyon na yun, but then ginawa mo. Okay? And we have here concern, unexpected income. For what I can see here sa love reading, there's an unexpected thing na mangyayari na pwedeng ikabahala mo. Okay? What is that? We have here the Empress. Possible pregnancy sa inyo, guys. So, if you do not want to get pregnant, medyo mag-ingat po muna tayo. Okay? Kasi high possibility ng pregnancy mo this 2021 kung hindi ka mag-iingat. We have also here Ace of Wands sa side mo. So, possible na pag may pinlant or pag may pinlant na seed, of course, mag-grow yan. So, kung may ginawa or may gagawin, mag-ingat, doble-dobling ingat. Possible na mag-end yan. Especially if you are not so sure. Kasi we have here Ten of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, Aries, Leo, Sag energy, with the Ace of Wands. Kasi maaaring may mga bagay ka na pagsisihan sa huli, especially kung hindi ka naman talaga masaya dito sa person na gagawan mo nito, ng action na ito. Okay? So, be ready. I see a baby here. So, yeah. Maaaring yung concern has something to do with that. And with the expectation and thief, this is your energy. Ang nakukuha ko po dito, it feels like natapos na yung lahat sa'yo. Yung feeling mo tapos na. Wala na. Nandun na tayo. Kasi we have here possible marriage. If you are married, possible married I'm feeling like there's a marriage here. So possible na this 2021 may mga ikasal dito na mga Libra, or kung hindi man ay I mean not Libra. Kung cross-watcher ka, pwedeng cross-watcher. There's this wedding here or this marriage here na possible mangyari this 2021. Pero I feel like you will not be happy with it. Okay? Maaaring kaya ka lang mapipilitan because there's this message of concern, which is yun nga, may kinalaman sa pregnancy. So maaaring may marriage na mangyari because you are already pregnant. Pwedeng ganun yung maging sitwasyon. And yeah, and I feel like this would be the ending of everything. Like, supposedly, pag marriage kasi dapat bagong simula. Pero I'm seeing na maybe sa simula, masaya. Pero at the end, hindi ko nakikita. Pag nakukuha ko yung emotion mo dito na magkakaroon ka ng choices with the Queen of Cups and the High Priestess. Pero mas matimbang yung pagmamahal mo doon. For some of you, there's these two people here na pinagpipilian. Kaya lang with the Thief right here, kaya nga mag-ingat ka ng maiging maigi. Kasi possible na mangyaring manakaw, or sabihin na nating makuha. Either ikaw makuha ka ng tao na talagang hindi mo naman gusto, yet because of these responsibilities na kailangan yung harapin, wala ka na magagawa. So kailangan mong mag-ingat. Maaaring mapunta ka sa maling tao. Okay. And we have here dito naman sa energy ng person mo, with the Page of Cups, 3 of Swords, 9 of Cups, 6 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy here with the 8 of Pentacles. For what I can see here, maaaring hindi pa nasasabi itong person na to yung kanyang emotion sa'yo. Because this person is trying to concentrate dito sa improvement niya, sa sarili niya, sa pag-aayos ng mga kulang sa kanya. But this person would really like to offer you something. This love. Pero maaaring hindi pa niya na-i-offer because possible na merong ang third party relationship pa dito. Okay, so might be for some of you, you are still committed. Or this person is still committed. So, take what resonates. Pero maaaring hindi na isa sa katuparan dahil meron pang other person. So, yung person mo is currently concentrated dito sa if your person is single, might be trying to be happily single, parang ganon. And having fun. Pinapakita niya masaya siya, or talagang nandito siya sa ine-enjoy niya yung kasayahan niya. Pero with the 3 of Swords, this person is really in pain. Hindi niya lang pinapakita. And we have here 8 of Pentacles. Maaaring hindi lang kasi talaga siya showy na kind of a person. Na pinagko-concentrate niya yung sarili niya, or yung mga plano niya sa buhay, or with a gift right here. Like, this person really needs you to open his or her heart. Parang ikaw yung kailangan magbukas nito, or whoever it is na makausap niya, kailangan itatanong muna sa kanya, kamusta ka na ba? Ano nararamdaman? Kumbaga, kailangan ng deeper conversation bago mo malaman kung ano yung gustong sabihin nitong person na ito. Kasi maaaring hindi niya sinasabi pa, or hindi mo talaga alam. Okay? And we have here not showing true feelings with a mask. Hide, personify, pretend, delude, gaslighting. Siya ito na hindi nagsasabi ng emotion. And possible din ito sa side mo. Okay? But there's a lot of healing na mangyayari this year 2021 for you. Maraming pag-aayos, especially sa sarili, pag-iingat, okay? Lalo na if you are an expecting mother. And so that's it for now, Libra. marami kang malalaman ngayong year 2021. So, expect the unexpected. And please take care. Mag-ingat ka kasi maraming expectation ang mawawala sa'yo. Or pwedeng yung mga parents mo, if you are just young pa, or wala ka pa sa tamang edad, medyo may mga expectation dito na mawawala. Kaya mag-ingat kang mabuti. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I hope naka-resonate kayo. Please do like and subscribe our channel, Unicorn Princess Tarot. I love you all guys and bye-bye.